Alright, let's let everyone out. Come on, babies. Hey, babies. Tyler. Hey, Moose. Oh, Moose est content. Hi, Moose. You're a good boy. Hey, Storm. That's the hot breakfast. There's one here. Here's Tyler. Tyler. And there's one here. Yeah, who likes their hot breakfast? Huh? Isn't it good? Let's go see Moose. Good morning. Tyler. You're not eating, Moose? You know what's going to happen. You got a new mommy. Does Moose have a new mommy? Yes, Moose has a new mommy. You going to be happy, Moose? Come on and eat. It's alright. Are you shy? Hmm? Fish one. Yeah, Moose walks really funny. He lifts one foot very carefully in front of the other like it's a big thing. He's always done that since he was a baby. What? Barbie? What do you want, Barbie? What? The camera. You can't eat it. Tyler, you're an idiot. Emma. Moose. Come here, Moose. Didn't eat this morning. Moose. That. You shy? Oh, look at the big boy. Look at the big boy. You be pretty? Those feet. Okay, film you just a bit more and then I'll leave you alone. Okay, Sean? That's a good boy. That's a good. You miss your friends? You have new girlfriends. Most more girlfriends? Oh, I said the word girlfriend. Yeah. What? What? Oh, are you pecking at me, Barbie? Wait, you're pecking with the camera. Hey, other Barbie. Alright, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye, Frankie. Hi, Frank. Good girl, Frankie. Oh, everybody loves the breakfast. I don't know why Moose isn't eating this morning. Do you know, Tyler? Did you bully him? About you, Oliver? Hey, Ollie. Hey, Oliver. Are you a good boy, Oliver? And Tyler? Blossom. Okay, we'll go say hi to Blossom and then we'll finish. Where's Blossom? Hey, Blossom. You a good girl? No, doesn't want anything to do with the camera? Okay, Moose? Bye-bye, everybody.